Birmingham, this isn't just a soccer team. This is our city, our club.
And this is a new era. I'm Justin Stuckey, your new in-stadium host, and I'm here to make sure every match feels like the main event. Because Birmingham Legion isn't just building a roster, we're building momentum. This team's locked in, they're focused, and they're ready to compete at the highest level. And when you talk about leadership, it doesn't get bigger than this.
Let's go, boys! Urgency, let's go!
We have legends who believe in the vision.
They're hooking it in, it's Richards, it's in! And the U.S. does use the set piece. It's Chris Richards.
Gwinnett with a 3-1 opportunity, knocked away by Dominique. Look out, ladies and gentlemen, because it's showtime!
This is elite soccer, and it's happening right here inside Protective Stadium. So if you ever asked yourself what Birmingham can be, if you've ever believed this city deserves a team we can rally behind, this is your moment. It's time to remind the world who we are. This is Birmingham, this is Legion, and this is a new era. I'll see you on game day.